Hello everyone, this is Shan Heather and today we got the new B30 Pro 5G smartphone with us. We are going to perform a quick unboxing of its retail box. We will have a look on the device inside, its design, features, build quality, specs and all of the usual unboxing stuff. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So first of all, let's have a look on the retail box. Here we got the image of the smartphone showing the front and the back of the device. On the back we got some of the specs of the device, that it comes with a 6.7-inch AMOLED display with Full HD Plus resolution. We got an octa-core MediaTek Dimensity 7050 processor, triple rear camera setup on the back where we will find the 108 megapixel primary camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide angle lens and 2 megapixel macro lens. We got 32 megapixel front facing camera. It comes with 12 GB RAM, 256 GB storage and 5000 mAh battery. So let's open the box and let's see what we got inside. So here we got the B30 Pro, a 30-watt charger. Here is the SIM card tray ejector pin. And here we got the USB Type-C cable. Here we got some silicon crystal gel, quick start guide and a new sticker and a case for the back panel. So these are the stuff we got inside the retail box of NUU B30 Pro. The smartphone, 30-watt charger, USB Type-C to Type-C cable, some stickers, quick start guide and a case for the back panel, as well as this SIM card tray ejector pin. So first of all, let's switch on the device and then we will go through the setup process, and after that we will have a detailed look on our NUU B30 Pro 5G smartphone. So the setup is done and we are good to go with our B30 Pro 5G smartphone. So first of all, let's talk about the design and build quality. So on the front side we got this huge screen with curved edges and minimal bezels. The side bezels are extremely thin and because of the curved edges they look even thinner. The bottom bezel is also very thin, especially considering the price segment, and the same goes with the top bezel as well. Right in the top center of the display you will find the front facing camera in this punch hole. Right above it there is a tiny slit provided for the earpiece, and then at the top we got the microphone along with the speaker grill that is connected with the earpiece. At the bottom we got the speaker grill once again. So the B30 Pro 5G comes with dual stereo speaker setup. We got the USB Type-C port, primary microphone and the SIM card tray slot. It does not come with a hybrid SIM card slot or a dedicated microSD card slot, so there is no option to expand the storage of B30 Pro. On the right side we got the volume keys and the power button, and on the left there is nothing provided. We got the in-display fingerprint sensor embedded beneath the display of B30 Pro, and then on the back we got this nice frosted glass back panel with this shimmering effect that looks very beautiful and premium. The back panel is quite minimalistic. We just got the new branding and the triple rear camera setup without any camera module housing. That once again contributes in the minimalistic design of the back panel of this device. Just like the screen, the back panel is also curved at the edges, and because of that frame looks very tiny and slim. The display is protected by the Dragon Trail glass, while we got the Corning Gorilla Glass 3 protection on the back panel of B30 Pro. So that's quite impressive that NUU is providing protection on both front and rear glass on B30 Pro 5G, even though it does not come with any kind of official IP certification. The frame is made of plastic and it is quite glossy, and because of that it will attract a bit of fingerprint and smudges for sure, as you can see here. B35 Pro is 8.8 mm in thickness, but because of the front and back curved edges it does not look that thick, and because of the curved edges and thin frame it provides a nice grip while holding the device, and it also provides a very nice and premium feel because of the frosted glass back panel. So in terms of design and build quality, the B30 Pro 5G is way above its price segment, whether it is the design or the build quality. The sharply curved edges that remind me of Huawei P30 Pro or the recent Motorola Edge series devices, and it looks way more premium and beautiful compared to other smartphones in this price segment. Talking about the display, we got a 6.7-inch AMOLED display with Full HD Plus resolution and 1080 x 2400 pixels resolution. Because of that, the PPI you will get on the display of B30 Pro is around 400, and because of that, it is pretty sharp. As you can see, even if I bring it so close to the camera lens, you won't see any pixelation. Because of the curved edges, we get the immersive viewing experience from edge to edge, and the viewing angles are quite nice as well, as you can see here. The maximum peak brightness can go as high as 550 nits, and as you can see, it is looking pretty bright, especially in indoor usage. You won't feel any issue, and we will see how good the performance of the display is going to be in bright sunny outdoors in our final review video of NUU B30 Pro 5G. So if you're interested in knowing more about and the final experience of our device here, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification when those videos are live. The display is protected by the Dragon Trail glass, and it also comes with a thin screen protector pre-applied on top of it. So once again, this is quite nice that we are getting dual protection on the display of B30 Pro, and it comes with 120Hz refresh rate. You can select between the 60Hz, 120Hz, or go with the auto mode that automatically adjusts the screen refresh rate from 60Hz to 120Hz depending on the activity you are doing on your B30 Pro. Talking about the hardware specs, NUU B30 Pro 5G comes with MediaTek Dimensity 7050 processor. We got 12GB RAM, and you can expand it up to 6GB more. Using the virtual RAM technology, it comes with 256GB storage, out of which 7% is already used, and you will get around 237GB memory free once you start using the B30 Pro. It comes with 5000 mAh battery with 30W fast charging, and when it comes to software, the NUU B30 Pro 5G runs on the Android 13. It is a bit old now, but we are supposed to get the Android 14 with an OTA update on B30 Pro 5G. So here you can see that it comes with plenty of Google application. We got the NUU Help, that's the only custom application on the home screen. Here in the app drawer, you can see once again we got plenty of Google applications. The only custom ones or the third-party ones are the FM radio and the NUU Help. And if we go to the settings, once again you can see we are getting the stock Android feel here. So NUU decided to go with the stock Android on B30 Pro 5G in terms of design, features, as well as the user interface, as you can see here. And because of that, it's very smooth, as we have seen earlier with any of the Android smartphone running on AOSP. Now talking about the camera, we got a 32 megapixel front facing camera and triple rear camera setup, where you will find 108 megapixel primary camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide angle lens, and 2 megapixel dedicated macro lens. And if you launch the camera application, this is the user interface you will find. So as you can see that it comes with photo mode. We got the AI HDR in the photo mode. If we go to video, we can select up to 4K resolution videos at 30 fps and 1080p resolution videos up to 60 fps. We got the dedicated night mode. You can see that it comes with 2x toggle for the zoom, but keep in mind that it is purely digital. And then we got the dedicated 108 megapixel imaging mode, and the camera performance is looking good enough. As you can see here, just a random picture I just captured. And then we got the portrait mode, that is a combination of the beautification and the bokeh effect. We got the face beauty mode, where you can do various customization to improve yourself in the picture. We got the panorama mode, and if we go to more, here you can see that we got a dedicated macro lens mode as well, because it comes with 2 megapixel macro lens. We got professional mode, time lapse, as well as slow motion video recording. So when it comes to camera options and features, you can see that the B30 Pro 5G comes with plenty of options, and the camera performance is looking good enough at the first glance. As you can see, just a random picture I have just captured. We will see how good the performance of the camera of B30 Pro 5G is going to be in our future videos. We will also perform the gaming test, various benchmarking tests, comparison with other smartphones in this price segment. So do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification when those videos are live. So at the first glance, the NUU B30 Pro 5G is looking a very solid smartphone in its price segment, and way better than other devices, as it comes with a beautiful edge-to-edge display with Dragon Trail protection, Dimensity 7050 processor, 12GB RAM, 5000 mAh battery with 30W fast charging, and a promising looking 108 megapixel rear camera setup. But this is just a first impression video. As I said, many more videos of NUU B30 Pro 5G will be uploaded very soon on this channel. So do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification when those videos are live. And if you enjoyed watching this one, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.